Hello guys, today this is my wife. I'm going to do English vlog whole day, and she is trying to lullaby my son, and I'm going to make chicken porridge in here. So today we will conduct in English. If my English is correct or not, I don't care. Okay? Today I'm English boy. I'm English cooker. Let's do it. As we know today, I don't care if my English is good or not. I'm going to speak as much as I can in English. If you laugh at me also, I don't care, because English is not my language. And I think my wife will also want to say something, so I'll go and speak to her. My wife, do you want to say something in English today? Only English vlog. Hello, my wife. What do you want to say?
Nothing.
Nothing. You like only nothing how to speak in English is nothing. How can you be so nothing, huh? Hey, don't bite me. Don't bite me. This is English spoken English class. This is spoken English class. Now I'm preparing chicken porridge. I will add some this chicken with rice, and over there there's a chicken soup. I will add in my chicken porridge, and that chicken soup. And if you laugh at me also, I don't care, like I said, because my English is not good. If my English is funny also, you are funny. No need to be ashamed of English, because it is not my mother tongue. I say don't speak in me so. She speak in me so. She can find 100 rupees. We'll be back. I need to clean this water, because I used to fetch water from here. Let me do my front view side. This is my front view side. I'll just waste water from here. I cement water. This petrol pump. And my son, do you want to say something to the world? What do you want to say? Do you love me? Do you love your mother? Okay, you smile. Do you want to say something? Eh? Do you want to say something, my son? Anything for your followers and for your fans? I think you don't want to speak because you feel shy. It's okay not to feel shy, my son.
I can't speak it.
He can speak. He is
I can't.
feeling shy.
I can't.
Okay, this is my son. He is very cute and handsome. Hello. This is my son original #1 branded shoe. See, very brand and very cute. Very small. He used to wear this one. It's very cute. It is cute just like him. So elegant. Now my wife is rolling my da. My wife is rolling in the D. Yes, she roll like that. And I put some fire on here and roast it on here, on this frying pan. Right now I am babysitting, and our local tea stall is very silent, so it's very quiet. We don't have any customer, so I'm taking care of my son. And this is Dante, the one only Dante, and this is Laruti. Hello, drop. He ran very fast with his walker. We need to guide him. Whoa. You will fall, my boy. You will fail. Don't come this side, because I'm going to teach you how to speak in English. Say, what is your name? Drop. Say, what is your name? Say, my name is Drop from Kima. And I'm very playful. Say, He act very quickly. Hello, my boy. Hi. Don't come here. You fell down. You fell down the step. Go that side. This my wife is looking after my son. Hi, my wife. How are you? My wife, how are you? Say in English. Speak in English. This is English class. You can find 10 rupees. I will tell to Miss Laruti is speaking Mizo. Miss Laruti is speaking in Mizo. You need to write down. I will not speak in Mizo again 100 times. My wife used to bake cake, and she baked for me cake, this one from this oven. And the big one is she gave me in the fridge. We get an order. She's going to decorate in the evening time. Right now I'm going to help my wife. Okay, I'm going to put cream on here on top. Today we got an order, and I'm going to put cream, and my wife will decorate this one after this. Now she is eating my porridge with egg top. Look at. Just go near, bye. She's eating this. This is my porridge with egg top. Do you feel delicious?
Tasty khana.
Tasty khana, yeah. We don't speak in Mizo today because our vlog, this vlog seems to be chicken. Chicken. This vlog should be English and Hindi only. Hindi malum nahi. So I will try to speak as much as I can. Okay, it's enough. Now I just finished putting cream on this cake, and from this on, someone will do the decorate part. My job is finished from this side now. Now my wife is doing the finished part, and all we can do is deliver to the person who ordered to us. That's all for our vlog. Drop.